get them ready for God.
You have a family thing?
Yeah. Them say my garden, I'm gonna cut them off for long on them.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we still wrap up here now.
No, that good, man.
Alright, so Jamaican women love fast food, you know, pizza, KFC, Burger King. Which one are your favorite out of them three?
Burger King.
Burger King. Alright, so this is very rare, you know, because most men would say KFC.
Me like Burger King.
So you prefer Burger King over?
Yeah, I have my number 8 American.
Okay. You that?
I'm that.
Alright, why do you think Jamaican women love KFC so much though?
Let's skip that question there.
No, what do man? Bust it, man. What could do? Why do make them honey or something?
I don't know because I look like that. Every time when woman do things, the first thing come to mind is KFC.
I tell you, I never get a woman KFC yet. I know, fuck it. I'll be honest.
But me just assure you say that's all.
That's why I want to get your perspective.
That's all. Me love my burger.
Yeah.
Me love my burger. Me buy my burger by myself. Somebody can't tell me nothing. Say
yeah. So they fuck you for a burger.
Yeah, for a burger, no?
Yo. Oh, God. Alright, so for the young girl, them growing up now, you know, they want to get into fashion too and dancehall, and what your advice to them?
The dancehall industry kind of rough.
Yeah.
Especially the promotional.
Promotional part.
Yeah, me is a promotional dancer, me is a back service.
Yeah.
With a video vixen, me is a bartender.
Right.
And for tell you the promotional world, dangerous.
Rough.
Bad.
Yeah.
Cruel. You can't do that. Have your delicate nice and you just see somebody slide something in it, you wonder what going on.
Right in front of you, you see
right in front of you,
you
see something.
You drink a prato.
Then second of all,
yeah.
them disrespect with bad.
Yeah.
Them tip we all look at $1,000, look at $2,000. And we dance for them feel like say I ever girl do business.
Right.
And just enough time I say, yo, enough I girl them say, yo, we not do business enough. Really, I got here say, them want about them money.
Yeah.
Them want this and them want that. It rough.
Yeah. So you say that it's a rough business to get in. So for the young girl, if you not think about it, just know said rough. Rough. And then up at late nights.
And then the late night, then the them certain in drive is a very good happening. Because it save all people from spending a lot of money.
Right.
But we don't know who for trust.
That's again no.
Organ expensive.
Cause the girl I'm gonna get take away.
Okay.
Right. So now you
have good in drive. I have bad in drive.
So I think the best thing for build a relationship with a good driver them.
Yeah.
Say always call them.
Yeah.
Say have a tree where you know say that tree if you can't get Ricky you call Timmy, you can't get Timmy you call Mikey.
So, better that way.
Yeah, don't just trust anybody. Cause them will take you away. Yeah. And then how you build trust with like people in the business. Cause even like how me and your link, because it says a good link you have. So how you know when to trust somebody. You know, say, I can't work with that brother in promotion or...
I'm not trust nobody.
Yeah, still not trust nobody?
No, I'm not trust nobody.
But oh, you know who to work with?
I work with people who I know.
Okay.
Like I'm been around or my flakes.
Yeah.
But if I don't know him, I not work around him.
Right.
Cause I can't. Them girl here, when them see I make money, them come with like bad energy. I can't handle the bad energy.
Yeah.
Cause from the energy bad, my vibe broke.
Right.
And if the promoter go turn and say, oh, she not dancing at a film business.
True.
Because there's no way you can bring a girl and just because me I make more money than you, you're vexing me, you're going up in your feelings and not dance. I'm not going to work neither too. Because I we get the same pay.
Right.
And totally foolishness that.
True.
Totally foolishness.
That best for always work with somebody.
Where you know say, yeah.
I know
them
a
got
long
you like
time.
That.
Yeah.
Them got you. That's why a lot of girls work with them second.
Right.
Them always send them second picture and say them and them second we work.
Right.
Because that's the reason why.
Oh, two of them together, each other back.
Yeah, because them know them understand each other. Them know so probably them fall out to them and them go back together.
Right.
But you probably go with a girl where you don't know on the first thing. She go put something in your drink and set up with the man.
Right.
And you don't know who to link back to.
Yeah, because one popular girl, I'm not call her name, her friend tell her to meet her over one man apartment. She go before the girl reach and the man rape her. And the friend still never show up. Friend not show up is like a set up thing.
And I bet some NPR.
Pay the friend.
No NPR.
For the friend. Because I think the friend was a virgin at that time. It's a virgin him want, you know. So I just say, pay the friend.
Must,
yeah. So enough time your own friend will set you up if you're not careful.
If you're not careful.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Well, yeah, that's some good advice that for the young girl them coming up in the business and thing. You see me? One more section now.